You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name. This is also a surname. If you want to learn soccer names, make sure to stay tuned, got them all here. It's pronounced Coerver. That's in British English, Coerver, or in American English, Coerver, alright? It's just as simple as that. It's not Coerver or Coerver, Coerver. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.